Okay, it's Saturday, December 20th. Believe it or not, bird hunt in progress. There's another bird in the house. Did you get it? She's got it. She's got it here. Now let it go. Where did it go? Where did it go, Emily? This happened once before. I just told you about it, though. I didn't. But I don't know where it went. Just now. Where did it go? Where did it go, Emily? Huh? Is it up here? Huh? Let me see. Is it up here? Let me see. Where did it go? I thought I saw it up in here. Oh, it's right there. It's dead. It's dead. Is it dead? I don't know. No, it's not dead. It's gonna fly. It's not dead. It's still alive. Okay, man. You know what? This is what I'm gonna do. Wait, I'm just a minute. I hear you guys. Come here. Come on, you guys. Come on, guys. Quick. Okay. Putting them out on the porch. See if I can open the door and get them to fly out. The door is open. Door is open. Flew out. Yippee. All's well and ends well. I'll do a cat's video a little well, shortly. Okay, guys, you want to come in here? Go ahead. Come on. Want to come in here? Go ahead. Come in here, Joe. Come on. Okay, this is 4 minutes and 35 seconds.